Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what does our question say. We have to find the integrals of the function cos 2x, cos 4x, cos x 6x. They are multiplied to each other and we have to find this integration with respect to x. So you can see that we have three trigonometric terms multiplied to each other. So the direct integration of this integrand is not possible, or if it is possible then it will be tedious and quite lengthy. So what should be our approach? The approach to solve these type of questions where some two or more integral trigonometric terms are multiplied to each other, it is better to manipulate that term or rewrite that term in the form of cos A plus minus cos B plus minus something. This cos A can be sin A or sin B. So any trigonometric term T1 plus minus T2 plus minus, the only thing to remember is that the terms degree should be 1 and they should be separated by plus or minus. So how do we achieve this goal? We use the identity, this one, cos A cos B is equal to half of cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So now apply the same identity in this question. First of all, we take these two terms. This is RA, cos 4x is RA and 6x is RB. So cos A plus B will be equal to 6x plus 4x, that will be equal to 10x, and cos A minus B, A is 4x and B is 6x, so we get cos of minus 2x, but cos of minus 2x is actually equal to cos 2x, so we write cos 2x here. Now what should be our next step? Our next step is that we just simplify this thing and we get something like this: cos 2x cos 10x plus cos 2x cos 2x, and half is over here. Now what we do? We again apply the same identity on the LHS, LHS part here on the first term. RA is this time 2x and RB is 10x. So cos A plus B will be 12x and cos of 2x minus 10x will be cos of minus 8x, but I already told you that cos of minus x is equal to cos x, so cos of minus 8x will be written as cos 8x, and this thing is cos square 2x. So this can be simplified to the lower degree with the help of an identity, that is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. If we shift 1 to this side and bring this 2 to the denominator, we get the value of cos square x. So we apply the same identity over here and we get 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Now the integration is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. The integration of cos 12x will be sin 12x by 12, but it will be multiplied by 4. Remember this thing, every integrand in this whole part will be multiplied by 4, 1 by 4. And the integration of cos 8x will be sin 8x by 8, but 8 multiplied by 4 will be 32. In this case, integration of half will be x by 2, but 2 will be multiplied to 2, so we get x by 4. And similarly, integration of cos 4x by 2 will be sin 4x by 8, but this 8 will be multiplied to 2, so we get sin 4x by 16. So that is our final answer. I hope you all understood it, and thank you. Have a nice day.